If your GE front-load washer is not powering on, showing error codes, or having unexpected cycle changes, the main control could be the culprit. I'm William from AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through testing and replacing this critical part. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your front-load washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Remove the screws securing the top panel, slide it back, then lift it up. Set the top panel to the side. Remove the dispenser drawer. Remove the screws securing the console to the frame. Plug the power cord back in. Grab your multimeter and set it to volts AC, indicated by a V with a squiggly line. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live electricity. Locate connector CN3 on the main control. Using your meter, test from the black wire at pin 4 to the white wire at pin 2. If 120 volts AC is present, the main control has failed. If 120 volts AC is not present, something else is causing your washer to not operate. If you'd like to learn more about using a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial. Check out the link in the description. Unplug the power cord. Disconnect the wires from the main control. Remove the cycle knob. Remove the screw securing the main control to the console, then separate the two. Here's the old main control and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Secure the main control to the console with the screws that were removed. Install the cycle knob. Connect the wires to the main control, then set the console back into place and secure it with the screws we removed earlier. Reinsert the dispenser drawer. Install the top panel and secure it with the remaining screws. Plug the power cord back in, and with that, we're done. Great job tackling the main control replacement on your GE front-load washer. We'd love to hear about your experience, so please share your repair story in the comments below. If you would like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you still need a new main control or any other part, just grab your washer's model number and check out AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days, making it quick and easy to get your machine up and running. Thanks for trusting us to help with your repair today, and we look forward to supporting you on your next project.